Okay, so our section is 3.4 slopes of lines. So what we did is we drew this little graph with duct tape on the floor. These are just to show like that's the area the graph is. This is the actual line. So the slope is the rise, which is how far the graph goes up, over the run, which is how far to the side it goes. So this one, it goes up 2 spots and then goes right 2 each time. So the slope is rise over run, so it would be 2 over 1, which would just be 2. So the slope of this line would be positive 2 because it starts at the bottom left and goes up. So we have 2 lines here now, these 2. And when a line is parallel, it means that they go at the same angle and they will never cross over each other. So that means they have to have the same slope. And here, they each go up 2 over 1, which is, rise over run like in the last clip. Or you could also do the slope formula where you take y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1, for example. y2, in this case, is 2, and y1 is 0, so it would be 2 minus 0, so you get 2 over 1 minus 0, so it would be 2 over 1, so that's how you find a point slope, but it's easier just to do rise over run. And then this one also goes up 2 and over 1, so they both have a slope of 0, which means they're parallel, and they'll never...
Or they have a slope of 0, they have a slope of 2
No, they
over
both
1.
have a slope of 2, and they're parallel, and they'll never cross over each other. Okay, so now we're going to talk about perpendicular lines. So, as you can see, we changed them a bit. We still have the normal slope of 2, 1, up 2, over 2. And then we have this one, which the slope is up 1 over 2, and it's also negative because it's falling from the top left to the bottom right. And since it would be, so the slope would be negative 1/2, or the negative reciprocal of this slope, 2 over 1. So, for this slope, you would, these would be perpendicular lines because they form right angles, as perpendicular lines do.
90 degrees.
90 degrees, and their slopes are negative reciprocals. And if 2 lines have negative reciprocals as their slopes, then they are perpendicular. Also, if they form 4 right angles, then they're perpendicular. Yeah.